4 strategies to speed up your growth by 300%. Hello champions, I'm Dr. Meghna Dikshit, author of the book You Matter, and I'm thrilled to welcome you to our channel. Here we explore the fascinating realms of the mind and brain, share the secrets to success, help you heal your past and prepare for a brilliant future. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe and ring that notification bell. And to all our returning viewers, a heartfelt welcome. There are 2 more ways I can help you beyond this video. There are 2 links in the caption. First is to register for my live seminar completely free to train your brain to achieve all your goals. And second, you can purchase my book You Matter through the link and start your personal growth journey with me. Now let's go back to our topic. 4 strategies to speed up your growth by 300%. Majority of our clients who come for our programs are looking for growth in their lives. They want to earn more money, do good in their career or business, and I totally get that. It is essential that we focus on our growth. Nobody likes to be stagnant. The desire is to do well in our life, but the resistance is also there. I had this one client who had come to us to learn ways to increase his income. He joined our 6 months advanced program. In this program, we give a routine to be followed every single day. This person was very dedicated, earnest, but he would follow the routine for a few days and then slide back. And I have seen this very often. People are so talented, so intelligent, hardworking, but slacking in life. The kind of growth they want for themselves does not happen. There is the gap. Now, what is the reason? Before I begin to elaborate on those 4 strategies to speed up your personal growth, let me explain to why do we slack in spite of wanting to progress. Our reptilian brain, which was formed 7.5 million years ago, is wired for negative bias. Its job is to keep us safe from the tiger and keep us in our comfort zone. Look at this example. This young girl was brought up like a princess in her parents' home. She got married to a very nice gentleman. He too looked after her very well. The husband got a sudden heart attack and passed away. The girl, only 38 years old, is now left alone to fend for herself and her younger son. She starts to work in her husband's office. For 38 years, she lived a certain life and lifestyle. Her reptilian brain was wired for that safe environment. Now there is a sudden change. It's an unsafe environment. The message to the reptilian brain is there is tiger and danger. This girl wants to create a good life for herself and her son. But the resistance comes in. Her reptilian brain is not supporting her for her growth. Do you get what I'm saying here? Type IGI in the chat box. So even though she wants to grow her business, there's slack in the growth. Every time she decided to learn something that will help her in her business, the negative bias would strike. Her innermost thoughts would be, how can I do this? It's impossible. I have never done this. I don't know anything. What if I fail? What will happen then? These thoughts would pull her back. The first step to growth is to become aware of your past baggage. Unless the layers of past experience are peeled off, change will be slow. Did you understand this? Type I understand in the chat box. So now I'm going to give you the 4 strategies to speed up your personal growth by 300%. And why am I saying 300%? Because in my last few years of practice and experience with working with our clients and students, I've actually witnessed people growing 300 to 500% year by year. And if this is possible for them, it is possible for you too. So get a pen and paper and start writing. First step is to choose a growth mindset. What do I mean by that? Growth mindset is where you are forever open to learning. It's the belief that their most basic abilities can be developed by dedication and hard work. What is the attitude you have towards challenges? Do you view failures as roadblocks, or do you see them as hurdles to be crossed over? Or do you just see them as the feedback so that you can improve on it? This will determine whether you have the growth mindset. Keep your mind open to all possibilities. Work on yourself. Learning is the best way to open up your mind. And remember one thing, your mind is like parachute. It only works when it is open, right? So type open mindset in the chat box. The second is to rewire your brain. We all have past baggage and we have our set thought and patterns and behaviors. But we want accelerated growth. Then it's time to rewire the brain. Acceptance is the first step towards rewiring the brain. Accept that the existing thoughts, patterns, and beliefs are limiting you from growing. Follow a healthy routine. Exercise daily. Though it sounds cliche, but the benefits are numerous. 20 minutes of exercise pumps the heart, which further helps in cognitive performance. If your brain is in top shape, then you can improve on anything. Follow a good sleep and diet routine. Meditate and do breathing exercises to regulate your reptilian brain. Make a habit of acknowledging all your successes. However small or big, celebrate every single achievement. The best way to rewire your brain is to learn a new skill that keeps your brain young. You also use that part of the brain that is normally not used. You smile more often. By taking care of your body and mind, you are creating a better opportunity for your brain to work at optimum level. Third strategy is to be persistent and consistent. Do that one thing daily. Write your goals daily and read them aloud. Take that one small action towards your daily goals. No matter what, committing to your routines send a powerful signal to your brain and it speeds up your growth. And the fourth strategy is to embrace change. The only thing that is constant is change. We all have heard this. Now it's time to embody it. Every successful person or a business embraces change. Be open to change. It's not easy. I know that. We humans are creatures of familiarity and habits. But holding on tightly to what is familiar will slow down the momentum of growth. Embracing changing also means stepping out of your comfort zone. Unless you're ready to feel the heat, be out there doing what needs to be done, you won't experience that accelerated growth. These are the 4 strategies that you can follow and speed up your personal growth. Now, if you like this video, share it with your friends and family. And if you want more help from me, then there are 2 links posted in the caption. First is to register for my live seminar completely free for you to train your brain to achieve all your goals. And second, you can purchase my book You Matter through the link and start your personal growth journey with me. Until then, next time.